Okay, what's up everyone, Trendline Forex here. It's 29th of August, Monday. We're gonna have a look at euro dollar. We did have some moves happening by the end of the trading week last week, which means on Friday, and that's what we're gonna talk about. Before that though, let's have a look at some of our analysis that was shared on Thursday and Friday last week. So here's 25th of August, here's 26th of August, and this is the analysis that I posted just about half an hour earlier before I'm recording this video. So what we talked about essentially was this downtrend and that it should actually continue, and that's when we found out this sell area right here. Again, this is 25th of August. We said that we are expecting a pullback to the sell area, and from there we said that price will eventually continue lower, breaking below those lows right here. Okay, so we're gonna jump on to the chart in a second, and we're going to have a look at that. But before that, like I said, let's have a look at some of our previous analysis. And now that's on Friday. Okay, so again, we talked about that we want to see price a little bit deeper inside of this zone because we already had one test of that sell area right here. And what happened next, as you can see, that's where price currently is. We had another push inside of this zone, a little bit deeper inside of this zone, and of course with the help of the fundamentals, price then reversed right inside of this area and it continued lower. And what we're expecting to see now is obviously a break below that major low right here. Now when it comes to fundamentals and technical analysis, we mainly emphasize on technicals, but there are some events that you should be aware of, and that's why we have a look at the economic calendar at least once a week every Monday just to find out what's coming up for the week ahead, right? And we did have Powell's speech on Friday, and that's exactly why this happened. But as you can see, it was totally aligned with our technical analysis that we did prior to the news events, right? So most of the time that's what's gonna happen. You have to be aware of when there are news coming up, but at the same time, if your technical analysis is right, if you're trading with the trend, if you know how to read a trending market, if you know how to do your top-down analysis, that's what's gonna happen. The fundamentals most of the time will actually confirm your analysis, and it's gonna put you in a great place where you can find those high probability areas and potentially make some profit for yourself. Now, to be honest, I didn't get an entry inside of this area, but if you look at price action and what signal price gave us, it actually came up inside of this zone, left a wick to the upside. Then we had another wick, a rejection wick above the previous one, and then this candle closed as a very strong engulfing bearish candle, right? So I know some people took some entries right here, short entries at the close of this bearish candle, stops above it, and they're currently running into a profit. So if that's the case with you, if you have any short positions, I would say make sure to move your stops to break even, maybe move them into profit if that's possible, and expect that this downside move will continue. Okay, I am expecting that we will see the market breaking below the 0.99 level and continuing lower. 0.98 is going to be the next target, but we've also got some targets below that as well. Okay, on the way to the downside, obviously we're going to have some pullbacks. So for those of you who have not entered a short trade yet, then you're going to have your chances as well, right? A lot of people, by the way, think that price is not supposed to go any lower, as it is already trading below the 1.0 parity level, right? But that's not the case. Now, looking at the higher time frames, you can see that we are in a very strong downtrend, right? Now, while the trend is pointing to the downside, that's what we should be trading. We should be looking for short positions only. Okay, so how do you find your take profit levels? What I like to use is the Fibonacci 2. If you have been following our channel for a while, or our analysis on TradingView, you should already know that. By the way, our Fibonacci course is currently on discount, so head over to our website trendlineforex.com, or just check out the links in the description below this video, and have a look at the course. It's very, very useful. And as you can see, I'm using the Fibonacci 2 on the higher time frames. In this case, we're looking at this last impulse plus the pullback, right? That's where we place the Fibonacci expansion. And what we've got next is the first level at 0.98, which I talked about. Then we've got 0.96 26.25. And if I have to be honest, if I do get a decent pullback here, a nice rejection signal, a nice entry here to the downside, then I don't mind placing my first take profit down here at 0.9625. Now don't get me wrong, obviously I am at the charts all the time, all day long, so that means I can properly manage my positions at any time. Whatever happens, I can react to that very fast. So let's say we do get this pullback here, we get a nice entry, we then see price pushing down, reaching that first level at 0.98. If I see that, you know, we've got some signals to the upside and price starts breaking above some previous highs or previous structure on the lower time frames, then I don't mind to close my trade here and, you know, collect the profit that I've made so far. Then at some point, if I see, you know, that we've got a pullback, then we've got another sell signal and price is about to continue lower, I'm just gonna open another trade again. Right, and that's what we talk about on a daily basis in our premium channel. If you want to you know, get involved, make sure to send us a message. Like I said, there's going to be some contact links in the description below this video. But that's what we pretty much expect to see here on euro dollar, and not just here but pretty much on all majors. Right, so basically we are looking for strong US dollar throughout this week, but the thing is, right now there's no point to enter a short trade. If you open a short trade at current price levels, then you're gonna have to place your stop loss all the way up here because you don't have any other structure, and that's why we want to see a pullback, a nice reversal signal, then you want to enter a short trade, and now you have a new structure. Now you can place your stop loss just above that structure, but right now you don't have it, and that means your risk to reward ratio isn't gonna be that good, and that's why you should refrain from, you know, taking sell entries right now. And when it comes to buying in these market conditions, that's, I think it doesn't make any sense. Right, so we're only looking to take a sell trade here after a pullback. Now there's another way to enter this position. We can see the market pushing down, breaking below this low, and then we're gonna have to wait for a pullback and retest of the 0.99 level. And trust me, that's not much difference to where price currently is, but then at this point you will have a further confirmation, whereas right now you don't have it. Right, so that's why I would say it is early to enter a trade. Wait for a pullback or a breakout and retest of that level, and then look to enter a position. Now that's what I'm going to be looking for as well. And so you know, in the premium channel, every time I take a trade on my personal account, I send it in the channel as a trade signal. If you want to take advantage of that, like I said, you're going to have to join that premium channel. Before that though, you can check out the free Telegram. Again, links in the description below this video. So that's pretty much all. You know, I wish you all the best. Leave a comment below this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. There's more videos coming out. On Wednesdays we do gold, and on Fridays we analyze Bitcoin. So make sure to stay up to date, and like I said, hit that subscribe button right now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last two videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.